In this video, we are going to be solving real-life world problems involving the division of decimals. So here is our first problem. A land developer splits up 1.4 hectares of land into 0.28 hectares of properties. How many identical properties would he have? So let us highlight the key information that we have here. So the total land is 1.4 hectares. And each piece has to be 0.28. So the number of parts is gonna be equal to the total size divided by the size of each part. So that's a division problem. In other words, we are taking 1.4 hectares divided by 0.28. We can go ahead and can solve the hectares since the units are the same and just carry out the operation. So we are going to end up with a long division. Since the divisor is a decimal number, we are going to multiply that by 100 so that we end up with 28 instead of 0.28. And then of course the dividend will also become 140. 28 goes into 140 5 times. 5 times 28 is 140. So we will end up with 5 properties, and each one would be of course 0.28 hectares. Let's look at another example. Karima bought 1.5 kilograms of beef. She paid a total of $6.75. What was the price per kilogram? So again, here we need to look at the key information that we have. We have 1.5 kilograms. We have $6.75. We are being asked the price per kilogram. So price per kilogram, that's also a division problem. It's basically price divided by kilogram, and that will give us the unit price. So here we have, of course, 6.75 divided by 1.5, and let's not worry about the units right now. We're going to go ahead and multiply the top and the bottom by 100 so that we can get rid of the decimal points. We will end up with 675 divided by 150. And from here, instead of going straight to the long division, we can just go ahead and actually simplify this fraction. I will start with dividing by 5 on both the top and the bottom, and that gives me 135 over 30. I divide by 5 again. This is an easy way of just finding the quotient by simplifying using smaller and easy compatible numbers. So you end up here with 27 over 6. And then of course you can see that you can divide by 3 on the numerator and denominator. So you end up with 9 over 2, which is 4.5. So in other words, each kilogram is $4.5. So you have $4.5 per kilogram. This concludes our video on using the division of decimals in real world word problems.